Good morning, class. Today we're going to take a look at Judeo-Christian and Greco-Roman perspectives. The standard we are going to be working on today is analyze the similarities and the differences in Judeo-Christian and Greco-Roman views of law, reason and faith, and duties of the individual. Your objective today will be students will be able to analyze which Judeo-Christian or Greco-Roman perspectives have an impact in today's society. Pause the video while you write your objective. For your warm-up, name countries that have the following types of governments: democratic, dictator, anarchist. List one country for each. Remember, pause the video while you write your response. Let's begin. For much of human history, people have lived under the rule of kings or other rulers who held absolute power in a monarchy. A direct contrast is the system of democracy, in which people govern themselves through councils and agreed upon laws. Let's take a moment to write down the answer to the following question. Why was the development of a democracy so important? Remember, pause the video while you write your response. The earliest democracies arose in ancient Greece and Rome. From there, we got two types of democracies: a direct democracy and a republic. Greece's definition of democracy. Now, in ancient Greece, they had a limited form of direct democracy. In a direct democracy, citizens represent themselves directly at councils. So back in the time of ancient Greece, if you were going to go ahead and represent the city-state, you will show up at a council meeting and let your ideas heard. Let's take a moment to go ahead and answer the following question. What is a direct democracy? Rome's definition of a democracy. Ancient Rome saw the rise of a republic. In a republic, citizens rule through representatives whom they elect. So back in the time of Rome, you were elected to your position by the people you would serve. Anybody could run for a position on the Senate. Most of the time, however, it was the educated few and wealthy. Now let's take a time to answer this question. What is a republic? Democracy today. Many countries today, including our United States, use the Republican form of democracy. Now, the following slides are going to talk about the Judeo-Christian views. Now, according to the Judeo-Christian views, every person is born with worth and dignity because they were created by God. So therefore, they are all equal. Every person's greatest responsibility is to God, according to the Judeo-Christian views. Every person has the ability to choose between doing right and doing wrong. They had that freedom. Every person should obey the laws of society.